Coldfeat number 21, and today's is sponsored by Vicks because they have a polar bear on the front, and I've been taking them as sustenance over the past 5 days. That being said, I'm not wearing a hat because I feel like going full under today, and you get a very rare experience of the filter system on. So I'll show you that quick, and then I'll do my thing. Filter system with Epsom salt goes out the bottom into the pump and filter, and then pumps that beautiful fresh water right in there with some aeration. I also filled it up a little bit, so let's do this. I always forget how much colder it is when the filter's on, pushing water around you and underwater. So, off to work. See you tomorrow.